Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear student? How is going on your study situation? I hope you are studying a lot in your house. However, today we will discuss about the best use of at. We know that already I have discussed many kinds of preposition and their classification and use. Especially today we have come to discuss about the best use of at. That means when we can use at in a sentence, and after, especially after at, what type of parts of speech can be used according to the grammar and rules. And today I will try my best. I will try my best level to show the most important formula or most important rules about the best use of preposition at. Before starting this class, I want to notice you that I want to show the most important point where and what type of parts of speech we can use after preposition at. You can observe this tree. It is not a tree or fruit tree, but we can see just like a tree. It is a tree which indicates the use of preposition at. That means if you observe this tree, you can use and there are 7 rules of at. So rule number 1. We can use in form of a verb after preposition at. For given example, look at the example rule number 1. He is good at swimming. I am pleased at reading novel. Here we can find after at in form of a verb. That means after at we can use in form of a verb. So verbal noun. After preposition at we can use verbal noun. So this is the correct example for these rules. Rule number 2. Rule number 2 indicates that a person or pronoun. After the preposition at we can use any kind of person or any kind of pronoun. For given example, number 2, he is looking at the Ram. He is looking at Ram. Here we can find that after at we have used Ram. Ram indicates the name of a person. Ram, Hassan, Uzair, Ratna or Panna, Hira, etc. That means after at preposition we can use a person. Example number 2, don't mock at others. Here others indicates a pronoun. So after preposition at you can use any kind of pronouns. Rule number 3. Rule number 3 indicates a special noun. After the preposition at we can use a noun. For example, number 4. He was pleased at the Example number 3. He is good at mathematics. We are waiting at the station. And example number A, we can find he is good at mathematics. Here mathematics is a noun, so it is the name of a subject. In example number 2, we can find the example noun, the station. After at we have used 2 noun, number 1 mathematics and another noun the station. Here mathematics and the station both are noun. The station indicates the name of a place. So after the preposition at, we can use any kind of noun. It may be the name of a person, the name of a thing, a place, or subject. It doesn't matter. So you can use a special noun after the preposition at. You should mind it. Rule number 4. Rule number 4 we can find from this picture, from this beautiful tree, we can find out the rule number 4. Rule number 4 tells us that after at we can use an adjective plus and noun. Adjective plus noun. Adjective plus noun. After the preposition at, you can use a special adjective plus any kind of noun according to the meaning of a sentence. Follow the number 4. In number 4 we can find there are two sentences. Number 1, he was pleased. He was pleased at the beautiful sight. Here sight indicates the name of a place, the name of a site. Beautiful is an adjective. So you can see that, you can realize from this sentence that after the preposition at, and we can use adjective plus noun. In the next sentence we can find the man was astonished. The man was astonished at the ill news. He was really shocked about the news, about the information. So we can find in the sentence ill news. Here ill news. Ill news indicates adjective plus noun. So after at we can use any kind of adjective plus a noun. Now rule number 5. Rule number 5. In rule number 5 we can find the best use of past participle plus a noun. Past participle. What do we mean by the word past participle? Past participle means the third form of a verb, that means present, past, past participle, the last part of a verb, the last from number 3. When the past participle form of a verb works as an adjective in a sentence, that is and as a verb, that is called past participle. Past participle. So and here from this line we can, from this rule number 4, from this rule number 5 we can realize that after preposition at we can use a past participle. Past participle, then a noun in a sentence. My father was angry at the defeated party. Here defeated party indicates the failure party who failed in the election. So the word defeated party indicates past participle plus noun. So after this preposition at you can use a special past participle from of a verb, next a special noun. So you should realize and you should memorize this system. Otherwise you can use a preposition successfully in the sentence or in the exam. Rule number 6. Rule number 6. Rule number 6. Possessive plus noun. After this preposition, that means after at, you can use a possessive form plus a noun. Possessive form plus noun. A possessive. So possessive. Rule number 6. His anger at my result was right. Here we can find that at is a preposition, and after this preposition I have to used my is a possessive form or possessive form. Possessive form next result indicates a noun. So my result, my father, my house, my garden, our college, our digital class. So, and all are possessive plus noun, all are possessive plus noun. So after this preposition you can use a special possessive form plus any kind of noun to make a beautiful sentence, so successful sentence. Next question, next sentence. He was disagreed at our proposal. Here, and there is a proposal, there is information, there is a decision. We went to the person to show our information, to discuss our information, but he denied our proposal, our information, or our decision to finally was not selected to the person. So he was disagreed, that means he denied our proposal. He was disagreed at our proposal. So after at there is a possessive form plus a proposal, that means it is a noun. So after at you can use a special a possessive form plus a noun. So this example must be helpful for you. Our last stage, rule number 7. Rule number 7 indicates the best use of this preposition at. After this preposition we can use a possessive form plus ing form plus a noun. That means at the same time we can use three kinds of participles in a sentence after this preposition at. Such as or for given example, I was marveled. That means I was astonished. I was astonished, to wonder at his making this comment. That means this sentence indicates that some of my friend or some person, someone make a comment about most important topic. That comment make me shocked. So I was marveled or astonished at his making this comment. So after this preposition you can find that there is a possessive form, next ing form, next there is a noun. So three participles can be used after this preposition. Our last example for this rule. He became surprised at our taking initiative. Possessive form, ing form plus a noun. So from this class we can understand, we can learn that and a preposition after this preposition, that means after at, what type of participles we can use. Rule number, there are 6 rules about this preposition at. Rule number 1, after 1 ing, number 2 personal or pronoun after noun, adjective, past participle plus noun or possessive plus noun, and finally possessive plus ing plus noun. So, and if you if you cannot understand this video, you should try to understand this video again and again. If you cannot understand any line or any formula from this video, you can contact with me and through the Messenger or Facebook account. So I will be helpful to you. I am always ready to help you so that you can learn about the best use of preposition from this class. In the next class, if Allah give us a heavenly period, then I will try to analyze or discuss with another topic. Up to the time, you should be okay. By the grace of Almighty Allah. Assalamu alaikum.